Hello and welcome to Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwyned's DVD on the Home Improvements Programme. The film contains lots of useful information and advice to help you prepare for the work that will be carried out on your home. More detailed information is contained in the handbook that comes with the DVD. If you've got any more questions having viewed the film, please get back in touch with us and we'll do everything we can to help you during this period.
Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwynedd is investing £136 million on improving thousands of our tenants' homes across the county. It's part of a commitment we made to you when we took over the council's homes in 2010. These improvements to your home will make sure we meet the Welsh Housing Quality Standard. The improvements could include a new bathroom, kitchen, central heating system, windows and doors, rewiring, as well as external work.
I'm well happy with the work that's been done and the men that's been working on site.
CCG is working with Lovell Partnerships and several other contractors to deliver the improvements. Not every home will receive the same improvements, but the following information will give you an idea of what you can expect whilst we are working on your home and how we can prepare for the work. If you have any questions or issues with any aspect of the work, you can speak to your tenant liaison officer. A survey has already been carried out on our homes, and this determines what work needs to be done. The first step of the improvements to your home will be a letter from Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwynedd or one of our contractors. This will include a date for a further survey so we can create a detailed plan of works. The letter will also include a contact number for your tenant liaison officer, or TLO as they're known, should you have any queries. All Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwynedd, Lovell Partnership and other contractors carry a photo ID. Remember to check this before letting anyone into your home. If you're unsure, call CCG on 0300 123 8084. During the survey visit, our surveyor will carry out any necessary measuring and design work. The TLO will explain what work needs to be carried out, the disruption it may cause, and answer your questions. If you have any special requirements, please let us know during the survey and we'll be more than happy to help. For the work to be done as quickly as possible, it is important that you provide access to your home at all the agreed times. If you don't, this can result in delays, not only to you, but for other tenants as well. If you have any access requirements, then please discuss these with your TLO. If you're having a new kitchen or bathroom, you will be invited to an open day where you can choose from the various colours of worktops, cupboards and tiles that are available. If you can't attend due to special circumstances, then your TLO will visit you at home to help you choose and to answer any of your questions. During your survey, the kitchen designer will draw up a layout for your new kitchen, which will accommodate your appliances. Once you're happy with the design, you'll be left with a plan of the new kitchen. Please be aware that the kitchen designer has to keep to certain regulations, such as the position of your cooker in relation to other appliances. Following your choice, the fixtures and fittings will be ordered and manufactured to fit your home. Once you have agreed the design and colour choice of the kitchen, it will not be possible to change them.
On the laptop, they showed us the design of the kitchen. They asked us where they wanted the cooker and everything, and you know, if it was in the middle or where it was.
You will be contacted by either Cartrefi Cymunedol Gwynedd or one of our partners to tell you the exact date of when the improvement work will begin on your home. You might receive a number of improvements at once, or they may be done at different times by different contractors. If you're receiving internal improvements such as a new kitchen, bathroom or rewiring, they will be done at the same time. You can help to make sure our workers can work quickly and easily by making a few preparations before they arrive. If we are rewiring or installing a new central heating system, our workers may need to get under the floorboards, which means that you will need to move furniture and roll up carpets. We'll give you plenty of notice if this is necessary. Don't worry if you aren't physically fit enough to do this yourself and there isn't a family member or friend to help. Just tell your TLO when they visit and we'll arrange for someone to do it for you. If you're having a new kitchen or bathroom, you will need to empty your shelves and cupboards and move any racks to another room. This will help to speed up the work. If you need boxes to store your belongings, let us know. It may be necessary to replaster the walls and ceilings, so you will need to take down items such as blinds, curtains, pictures and mirrors, as well as any other breakables, and store them in a safe area. Until the work is finished, there's no avoiding that it will be noisy, dirty and inconvenient. But we will do everything we can to keep this to a minimum. To help us, you should protect your stored goods by covering them with a clean dust sheet. We can provide these.
I've done the plans and what have you on the laptop, and I've been able to choose which worktops and what have you I'd like.
The big day is here, and the workforce arrives at your home, eager to start. Remember to check the ID of all the workers. Before work starts, the contractor will cover your carpets and furniture. If you're having a new kitchen or bathroom, we'll need to take out your existing units first. Removing an old kitchen and bathroom is a very quick process. Once the removal work is done, we'll immediately start installing the new one. Your electric, gas and water supply may be temporarily interrupted, but this will only be for short periods and all services will be restored at the end of each working day. You will have been notified if we need to lift floorboards to install new pipes or wiring. If we're rewiring your home, we may need to channel the wiring into the walls. This is very dusty and noisy, but we will give you plenty of warning. To minimise the dust, we will keep doors closed and protect your furniture with dust sheets.
Unless it's something you've got to put up with. You know it's going to be there, but at the end of the day you also know the guys are going to clear it up. So as long as that's happening, there's not really a problem.
Installing new windows and doors will make your home warmer and more energy efficient. We will contact you beforehand so that you can decide on what kind of door and the colour you would like. Some homes will also get external improvements, which could include re-rendering, new guttering, paving and fencing. We will let you know if your home needs any of these improvements. Health and safety is also important to us, and building work can be dangerous, so you must make sure that you, your children, visitors and pets stay away from areas of work. We will put signs up to show that there is work in progress, warning people to keep away. Your safety is very important to us, and with your cooperation, we can avoid any accidents. At the end of each day, workers will tidy up, remove rubbish, and tell you what they intend to do the next day. If at any stage you are unsure about anything, all you have to do is to get in touch with your TLO, who will explain to you what's happening. We may not be working on your property every day, but if this is the case, we'll let you know. Our staff usually work from Monday to Friday from 8 AM to around 5 PM. In some rare cases, we may need to work outside these hours, but we'll check with you first to make sure that it is convenient. We have strict customer care standards, which set out how we expect you to be treated. If you aren't happy with anything, get in touch with us and we'll make sure it's put right. In return, we expect you to treat our workers and employees with the same respect. We will always try to keep disturbance to you to a minimum and to finish the improvements as quickly and efficiently as possible. The work should not take more than about 3 weeks. Your TLO will be able to advise you on how long the work will take and give you a timetable to advise you accordingly.
It's been very organised. CCG kept us informed. They've always contacted before they're coming round.
Once the work has been finished, your TLO will call to see how you're getting on. They'll check that you're happy with the improvements and ask you to fill in a satisfaction questionnaire. Your views are important to us, and we would like you to tell us what you think about the work that's been done to your home, what you think about us, our partners, and how we can improve the service we provide in the future. Your TLO will also check that you have been fully informed on how your new fixtures work and give you tips on how to care and maintain them. Remember, all new fittings come with a guarantee, so if you have any problems after the workers have left, please tell your TLO. If you've had new windows and doors or a central heating system, your home may be more susceptible to condensation. So please make sure you keep your home well ventilated by regularly opening your windows. If you've had rewiring work done, where they have had to channel into the walls, you may be entitled to a redecoration voucher. Remember, if you have any questions or queries before, during and after the work, please do not hesitate to get in touch with your TLO. They're here to provide you with support, help and advice at every step of the way. We hope that you'll be happy in your new look home and that you enjoy the benefits that come with the improvements. You'll find more information in the booklet which accompanies this DVD, or contact us directly.